Friends, hello! In this video, I will tell you more about the Vulcano line of equipment for making cotton candy. I'll show you in more detail what it consists of, talk about each module, and we'll do a test run, create our cotton candy. So, as we can see, the line consists of two modules, the cotton candy maker itself and the conveyor. Also, an optional table designed for packaging the cotton candy. First, we'll start with the first module, the cotton candy maker. As we can see, it looks like this and consists of several units. First of all, what catches the eye is the control unit. All the electronics are here. Here we see how it turns on, and here is the cooler, 220 volts, but you can set it to 110 or even 380 if needed. It depends on the specific power grid you have. Next is this sturdy construction with wheels, so it moves easily. The table for receiving the cotton candy, it's rotating like this. This is the hopper for the raw materials. As we can see, this is where the sugar is placed. Next, the rotating drum that creates our cotton candy. This is a barrier to prevent the cotton candy from flying around the room. When the cotton candy accumulates here, it falls onto this receiving table. Next is the conveyor. The task of this conveyor is to shape the cotton candy. It is formed into rolls. We put the cotton candy here. Here it is cut by these blades and goes onto the receiver. The cotton candy barrier is adjusted by this level. You can raise it or lower it according to your preference. The conveyor itself also switches on. It's already configured. It has two motors, one for transportation and the other to rotate our so-called knives. Now let's pour in the sugar. The main rule is that it must be dry, not damp. Overall, this hopper can hold approximately 20 kilograms. Now about the controls: start, work indicator, stop, and alarm indicator if something goes wrong. We have a safety switch. In this position, nothing turns on. To start it, the safety switch must be released. Turn it on. You need to set the heat and speed values. First, we turn on the speed. Next, we turn on the heat. These are the optimal values. Now we wait for our cotton candy to appear.
Ось вона вже починає утворюватися.
There it is, starting to form. Next, we need to turn on our conveyor. This is done quite simply on a separate remote. Start and stop. When the sugar starts to run out, just turn the heat and speed down to 0 and turn off the conveyor. Press stop.
Вимикаємо нагрів.
Thus, we saw that there is nothing complicated about operating this equipment. Everything works very simply and quickly. You get your product, which can already be packaged and sent for sale. Thank you for your attention. All the best.